All right, guys, so I don't do very many of these types of videos where it's more of an opinion type of piece, but I'm going to add them here and there just to keep things interesting and keep you guys on your toes, so to speak. So there's been a recent study by MIT that showed that heavy ChatGPT users actually showed a lower cognitive function from doing so versus people that just used their brain. Now, at first, you might think, okay, well, that's bad. Maybe I should just not use ChatGPT. Maybe I should just not use AI. That's a bad thing. AI is bad now, but it's not bad. What really happened in that study is the students that had minimal editing and minimal effort from their own brain and relied 90, 95%, 100% on AI to do all the heavy lifting for them, and then they just copy pasted it, those are the ones that are in deep trouble in their future. Like deep, deep trouble. So here's the thing. I'm going to make a prediction right now. And I might be wrong because I don't have a crystal ball. Nobody does. But I'm willing to bet you that there's going to be two buckets of people in the future. We're talking 5 years into the future, not that far. You have bucket one. These are the people that do one of two things. They either use AI to replace their brain completely because they're lazy, or they barely ever use AI at all. If you're in bucket one, you better start preparing for your future because it's going to be rough. It's going to be real rough. In bucket two, you have the people that use AI as a supplement for their brain, that learn different AI tools and how to use them for different use cases, that do not rely on copying and pasting out of AI tools, and that are doing everything in their power to become as top level and as superhuman as they can possibly get with AI. Group two, bucket two, will succeed in life and go like this, while group one goes like this. Do you understand? Group one is going to potentially lose their job. Group one is going to have a hard time keeping a job because part of that study showed that they began having a hard time recalling things. Their memory was shot from using AI and not their brain at all. Their critical thinking skills were shot. These people are going to have a hard time figuring things out in their life for themselves. You need to be in bucket two. And I'm not saying that because I have a website all about AI and AI tools, or I have a YouTube channel about AI, or I'm obsessed with AI and that's why I'm saying you need to do it. I'm saying this as a public service announcement for anybody who is either not using AI at all or using it as a replacement for their brain because they think they can get away with it. And I know I might sound like an old man, just a grumpy old man that has lost his marbles and is just totally not connected with reality because he owns his own business and he's obsessed with AI. So that's why he's making this video and that's why he's saying these things. I can guarantee you that is not the case. I care about humanity and I want you to achieve things and I want you to succeed. And if you want to succeed, this is the path to go. This is your choice. You can be in bucket one or bucket two. The difference between the wealth gap, I also think, is going to increase by a lot. And this is going to have a big part in that. This is bigger than social media. This is bigger than mobile phones. This is bigger than TikTok. This is bigger than Facebook. This is quite possibly bigger than the internet itself. AI is going to change the world. It already has. But if you think you've seen crazy things in 2025, just wait till 2030. See what happens then. So send this video to a friend that needs a wake-up call. If you're in any industry or any job with highly repeatable activities that can be automated somewhat easily by a machine, you need a fire lit up your ass and you need to get with the program or else you're going to be screwed. And again, this is coming from someone who loves AI, but I don't want to see you lose your job. And I don't want to see you in bucket one. I want to see you in bucket two. So I hope you take this video. I hope it changes your life. And I hope you send it to someone else who might need to hear this message. So do what you want with this information if you'd like. Check out the MIT study. I'll link that in the description below. It was a small sample size, but it makes sense. If you're trying to replace your brain with a machine, expect to be replaced in real life too. Just makes sense. If you're not using your brain and you're offloading that to a machine, don't be surprised if bad things happen to you with your future. You might not retire. You might not have the money that you need to do the things you want to do. Until next time, be sure to run the prompts and prop the planet, and I'll see you guys later.